Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Hope you are well. Welcome to today's 5-Minute Friday, and today we are potting up these fantastic chili plants. So if you've watched any of our videos before, and especially if you watched just before Christmas, you would have seen us sow these fantastic chilies. They are growing really well, and now's the time to pot them up. So chilies don't really like being held. So when they're at a stage where they want to be potted up, that's the perfect time to do them, and you get this almost seamless growth with them. They don't like to be stopped by maybe their roots being restricted. So now is a good time to pot them up. Now, the only caveat to that is obviously chilies are a warm loving plant. So as long as you've got space to keep them in a warm environment, then it's absolutely perfect to do. So a heated greenhouse, a conservatory, a windowsill, and that's partly why I'm going for this size. So it's a bigger pot, but not too big. That would still fit on a windowsill and it will work really well. So I've got a good quality compost here, nice lot of feed in it, and it drains really well. And this pot is around about sort of 10 to 15 centimetres across. So I've filled it almost all the way up, just to the point where I can pop the plant in. And if you've grown them in this seed tray like this, give the seed tray a bit of a squeeze. It will just release the roots from the outside, and then you can generally lift them out just like that. So it's got a nice healthy root system. I'm just going to place it on top of the compost just like that, and that is the level we want it to be. So I filled the compost up to here, placed the chili on top, and now I'm just going to fill the outside with some extra compost. So we just place the compost in like that. You don't want to really cram it in and compact the compost, you just want to settle it in just around the outside. Any big lumps or leaves that we've got in here, you want to discard and just tuck the plant in. Give it a good water, and like I said, put it in that warm setting. We're lucky enough obviously to have heated greenhouses, but if you haven't got that, a windowsill does work really well. Because it's a growing plant of a half decent size, you're going to need to make sure there's a nice lot of light as well. So a light windowsill in the kitchen or something like that would be absolutely perfect. I'm just going to repeat that for all these other ones, and before we know it, it'll be up here and we'll be considering picking them. Any questions at all, get in contact. See you soon.